engineers play an important part to facilitate our lives. We should accept their services and must pay a tribute to them. Simply check around ourselves. We will find the services and creations of engineers like the building where we are living, electricity, water supply, home appliances, gadgets, mobile network, traveling vehicles, biomedical equipments, transportation equipments, and the infrastructures. These all are the services provided by the engineers. Engineers solve technical problems. They maintain the systems. Engineers produce new products by controlling quality and cost. They supervise the production departments. Engineers belong to different departments like civil, mechanical, electrical, telecom, electronic, computer, biomedical, chemical, transport, etc. Engineers create practical output for the scientific work. Civil engineers. Civil engineers construct houses and buildings for us. They have many other services, but they play major part in construction projects. Electrical engineers. Electrical engineers mostly generate and distribute the electricity. Mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers mostly provide refrigeration, air conditioning, and other mechanical services. Chemical engineers. Chemical engineers design and troubleshoot the production process systems. Telecom engineers. Telecom engineers provide the services of telephone, broadband, and cellular data. Electronics engineers. Electronics engineers design and develop home appliances and gadgets, etc. Biomedical engineers. Biomedical engineers design and maintain devices and equipments relating to biomedical field. Computer engineers. Computer engineers deal with computer software and hardware systems. Agriculture engineers. Agriculture engineers improve infrastructure of agricultural land and design new farming techniques. Architectural engineers. Architectural engineers prepare designs for building projects. Planning engineers. Planning engineers prepare project schedules and make planning for manpower and equipment for any project. Quality control engineers. Quality control engineers ensure the standard of products. Health and safety engineers. Health and safety engineers are responsible for workplace safety. Petroleum engineers. Petroleum engineers provide services for oil and gas production. Environmental engineers. Environmental engineers are responsible for environmental protection during project work. Industrial engineers. Industrial engineers supervise the production process. Transport engineers. Transport engineers develop transportation system plans. Marine engineers. Marine engineers design, build and operate boats and ships. Geological engineers. Geological engineers make geological research mostly for oil and gas, minerals, mining, etc. Materials engineers. Materials engineers work to create and design new materials like metal, plastic, etc. Textile engineers. Textile engineers work to produce fabric, fibers and garments. Nuclear engineers. Nuclear engineers make nuclear research, design nuclear equipments and operate the nuclear power plants. Engineers are also heroes as they improve our quality life, give respect and pay tribute to them.